Hello. So this is episode 2. I have made more progress on whatever this is. I don't remember how much I actually had last episode. Hopefully, first thing I have redone the smelter, which, thinking back, probably should have tested before starting this, but we'll see if it actually works. If it doesn't, I guess I can fix it on camera. As you can see, just scrolling through that, it's a bit longer now. Iron. Yeah, the smelter's gonna actually need coal this time. I'm gonna also need to make a new system for this because the system I have in place for selecting objects is not very good. Miner for coal. I was having a big problem with coal miner. I wasn't mining anything, but as you can see, I've gotten that. Oops, that's a miner and it's mining iron for some reason, even though there's no iron there. Clearly, the miner still doesn't fully work. Get rid of that. Smelter. But now there's my job. God, this has not gone well. Come on. Actually smell something. No? It doesn't appear to be working. That's great. Well, time to do some testing. Where's the smelter? Assembler, rubber melt tap, extruder. No, there's the smelter. I know this bit works, because this is the part that directly copies. The only thing that I've changed was from directly just copy and pasting stuff from the other machine, because this was, I changed around some stuff, but this is very much the main thing I changed was this bit here. But ore2 shouldn't equal empty, it should be iron. Oh, there's a P there. And, will that fix it? Removing the P? I guess not. I, Coal, iron, empty. If not, out items. If grid equals conveyor. If not, ore2 equals empty. If I remove this, is it gonna work? No. Oh, I know why. I know why this isn't working. Because when I was trying to fix the smelter, I removed all the other stuff from the forever list. Yep, there it is, the smelter. It's not being run. And yes, yes, it's working. It's actually using up coal. Okay, I was very scared for a second there. The whole thing had stopped working. So, other things. I guess I can demonstrate I'll demonstrate with iron. First off, we have for new machines. This is gonna be annoying. The old smelter setup. Well, we're gonna have to mine coal because of the new smelter. Should be simple enough. A miner there. And that should start smelting of iron. Okay, well, we can use that's not facing in the right direction. Or I was going to say, let's use the extruder. Now, I don't really know what I'm doing, so some of these machines might not be right, but I'm basing this off what I read on Google. You get iron wire, and then we can send that into this thing. For a second. Where's conveyor belt? There it is. And you get screws. Now this works with copper as well. It does not work with gold. I'm gonna add that at some point. They're gonna have to like have various things like copper is more conductive, but gold is more valuable, but also like they're weaker. So iron's better for screws, but like if you want wire, you want copper. But now the wire recipe only works with copper, because wire is like full on wire. It is added in, but it's complicated and I'll show you how to make that and how that works. So we're gonna need that in a smelter, then an extruder. Here we have that. Just needs to go into this thing. And then we send that into the smelter. And then the assembler. But how does the assembler work? Of course, I need to check something quickly. Because of how I set this up. Yeah, so copper wire needs to go into the back. For future reference. And this should work. So, we're going through what we already have. We have the miner, the smelter, which I forgot to. I've already forgotten about the whole coal thing. The extruder, as we already saw. So what we're going to need is a tap. For this, as the brown thing is the tree. So if you have a tap on the tree, it can only be placed on trees. And that's going to produce sap, and then we can send that into a rubber mill. Get softened rubber, which we can then send into the smelter, and that would produce rubber if I had actually hooked it up to coal. And then, of course, these two can be sent into the assembler, which has a confusing texture. The yellow bit is the main input, red are the side inputs, and blue is the output. That's basically how that works. Probably could have done that in a more clear way, but that's how I set it up. And this would produce proper wire, like rubber surrounded copper in the middle. And that's mostly it. Now, I don't feel like hooking this up to coal at the moment, so I wouldn't be able to demonstrate, but it does work. I've done my testing. But yeah, that's about all I have for this video. Probably gonna make more. The last video of this was the first video where someone that wasn't in my family actually commented, I'm pretty sure. So that was great. But yeah, that's the end of the video.